This is the worksheet part from the Wondrous Woman lesson, worksheet 5.8, page number 84, writing part. Here is a speech on the Republic Day. Complete the speech using hints given in the box. Hints సహాయంతో స్పీచ్ని తయారు చేయండి. Hints are హ్యాపీ రిపబ్లిక్ డే, 26 January, గాంధీ, భగత్ సింగ్, వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్, లాలా లజపత్ రాయ్, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, ట్రైకలర్ ఫ్లాగ్, కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్, క్రీడ్, రిలీజియన్, కలర్, కమ్యూనిటీ, రేస్, conclude my speech by our country, opportunity. These are the hints you should follow to complete this passage. Respected headmaster and teachers and my friends, good morning. If any speech starting, you should facilitate the elders or the courtiers by saying good morning. This is Ramesh from class 5th. I am excited to say something about the Republic Day. First, I would like to greet you. We should introduce our name. Then we'll start the speech about Republic Day. I would like to greet you. Happy Republic Day. What is the occasion? Republic Day. So we should greet Happy Republic Day. We all know we celebrate. What do we celebrate? Republic Day. Celebrate Republic Day on which date? 26th January. Every year since 1950. Every year since 1950. We are celebrating our Independence Day. Republic Day. From this day, the Constitution of India came into force. We remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee of our Constitution, and our great freedom fighters like who are the great freedom fighters? Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose. These names we should write here. Our freedom fighters like Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. We have so many freedom fighters. So these names are just to remember, or some of them. On this auspicious day, we host for any national festival? We host our national flag, tricolor flag. We host our tricolor flag in all public places. Next paragraph. India is a democratic country. Every citizen is equal in the eyes of law. All the fundamental rights and duties are drafted in the Constitution. Republic Day is the day to form the Constitution. We formed our constitution on this day, 26th January. So that's why we celebrate Republic Day. Constitution of India. No one should suffer because of caste. This constitution, no one, all are equal. So there is no importance of caste, creed, religion, color. Some people are in black color, some people are in white color. So there is no any discrimination of caste, creed, religion, color, community, race. So there is no discrimination. All the Indians are same. All are same in the constitution and to nation. With this, I would like to wish you all once again a happy Republic Day. Hope that we get united to achieve the prosperity of. Here we have another point. No one should suffer because of caste, creed, religion, color, community, race. So then conclude my speech by with this I would like to wish you all once again happy Republic Day. Hope that we all get united to achieve the prosperity of our country. Thank you one and all for giving me the opportunity. Should conclude like this by thanking. This is the speech of Republic Day celebration. Jai Hind. Next we have matching here according to the lesson The Wondrous Woman. Match the woman with the fields they excel in make sentences. Jataparchi Vakyan right. We should match from women to field they excel in. Both sides we should match. Then we should form a sentence. Mother Teresa, M.S. Subbulakshmi, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Lakshmibai, Yamini Krishnamurti, Shakuntala Devi, Mary Kom, Kalpana Chawla. These are the women we learn in the lesson The Wondrous Woman, and their services or their specialties or in which category they are excellent. We write they write here: mathematics, classical dancing, aerospace, social service, boxing, Carnatic music, poetry, first lady, freedom. We should match these women to these their excellency with these their excellency. Mother Teresa for social service, so we should write here D. M.S. Subbulakshmi, Carnatic music, F. Sarojini Naidu is a social leader, poetry here, G. Jhansi Lakshmibai is first lady, freedom fighter, she is. Yamini Krishnamurti for dancing, where is that? Classical dancing, B. Shakuntala Devi, mathematics, mathematician, she is. A. Mary Kom, boxing. Kalpana Chawla, aerospace. This is the final activity from the lesson The Wondrous Woman, worksheet 5.9. Imagine that your school is going on an excursion to Visakhapatnam. Now develop a conversation between you and your mother with the help of the hints. Hints సహాయంతో కన్వర్జేషన్ను పూర్తి చేయండి. గుడ్ న్యూస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ an excursion. You may go. Where are you going? Thank you, Mom. Visakhapatnam, how many days? How many of you? Are they charging? Only 200. Which places planning to visit? To see, I'll confirm my name for the excursion. These are the hints we should follow to fill up these conversation from you and your mother. You want to go to Visakhapatnam, how to ask and how you prepare your mother to accept your decision. This is the conversation. Hi mom. First, hi mom. Good news. What do you say? Hi mom. Good news. Then your mother will respond, well, may I know that good news? May I know that good news? Your mom will say like that. Yes mom, the next week our school is going on an excursion. Going on an excursion. Mother, it's great. You may go. Where are you going? Without asking, her mother accepted to go to Visakhapatnam. Very lucky she is. You may go. Where are you going? She asked like that. Where are you going? You. Thank you, mom. She agreed without asking. So you have to thanks your mother. Thank you, mom. We are going to Visakhapatnam. Where are you going? For the question, where are you going? You tell the answer, Visakhapatnam. The vacation place is Visakhapatnam. Mother, how many days will you spend there? Obviously, every mother will ask like that. How many days? How many days will you spend there? About 3 days. This is the conversation. Remaining conversation in the next page.